Hello.
Hello. We recently went to a Poshmark event.
Yes, it was called the Poshmark Live Shows event, I'm pretty sure.
Something like that.
Yeah.
So we wanted to give a little rundown, show some clips from the event.
Give our thoughts.
Yes, in case anyone wondered what the events are like or had any questions. I got an email talking about the event. I saw it was in Manhattan, so I clicked, I was reading about it, and what really drew me in was when it said if you went to this event, you would be granted access to do live shows without being a Posh ambassador. So I looked into it. No catch, you didn't have to pay anything.
Yeah, it was free.
Yeah, it was free. So I told Keegan, he said, yeah, I want to do it. That's cool. So I signed us up, which you had to put, to sign up, you had to put your
Poshmark name, closet name.
Yes, your closet name. So you couldn't just go if you didn't have one. Because when I ordered the tickets, it said you can order up to 2 tickets.
Uh-huh.
So I was like, oh, I typed in your name and then it asked for your Poshmark. So you couldn't just like bring your significant other or family member or something.
Make them a Poshmark real quick.
Someone did that at the event. They were like, oh, I just, made a Poshmark yesterday so I could go to the event.
Probably their goal too.
Yeah, probably.
They want more people joining.
Yeah. So we went into the city. We went to the event. It was at, was it a hotel?
It was like a hotel. It was in like
a big city. It was a nice place.
Yeah. We got there early. We were probably like 20 minutes early, maybe half hour. So we were just sitting. Yeah, there was like maybe 10 other people there. We were sitting around. We were like, oh, I hope this wasn't me. But yeah, it was good that we were there early though, because we could sign in easy, didn't have to wait for anything.
Yeah.
First in line to get a drink, Yeah, they gave us 2 free drink tickets.
You retracted your hand.
Tote bag making station, all these little free, tchotchkes and stuff.
When we first got there though, like you would just sign in and they had you sign a disclaimer. Because they're taking pictures throughout the whole thing. We should look and see if our pictures are up there.
Oh yeah, where would it be? Like
the Poshmark blog or something?
Yeah.
I don't know. So we signed in, made the cute little name tag thing, went in. They gave you the 2 free drink tickets, like you said, and they gave you a raffle ticket, which they were giving out Poshmark credits to buy whatever you want, which was cool. They had a bunch of tables set up with like the keychains, little tchotchke things, like you said. The tote bag station was really cute.
Like iron on little patches and stuff.
They had people walking around with like trays of food, like like little. Oh, what did they do at the event besides, having free stuff, which is always great? They had really cute decorations. They did a really good job.
Like, lights and little flower displays
balloons
and stuff.
And they had like a panel section where they had people talk about, Poshmark, but honestly the audio was really bad.
Yeah, you couldn't really hear because they just did it like there were still people, talking to each other. It wasn't like a okay, everyone be quiet and listen type of moment. It was just kind of like come close if you want to hear. If not, like you could do whatever you want. But even we were right up there and we couldn't really hear what was going on. So
yeah.
It was kind of mostly like a what's the word? Social
event.
Like networking.
I'd
say, yeah.
But we're both pretty antisocial.
Yeah, we like don't stay away.
So we just stayed to ourselves. People were walking around, recording themselves on live, and it was kind of a lot. Yeah. But people were dressed so nice. We were kind of casual. But people were dressed so nice. And they did a live show at the event.
Oh yeah, they were like selling
stuff.
So
yeah, like you could send them something from your closet and they would auction it or sell it, whatever, in their live show, which was kind of fun.
Like yeah, they had like people kind of help you judge your closet and like tell you what you can improve, which I don't think we got too much
What is my
help
hair
from
doing?
that, but
Not really. Okay, want to go into pros and cons?
yeah.
Give me a pro. Oh.
Pro is you can kind of just like float around and do whatever you wanted. You wouldn't. It wasn't like you had to be at a certain event at a certain time.
Yeah, I would hate that.
Yeah.
I was worried about that because they like told you kind of what you were doing. Like they did like a bingo.
Oh yeah.
You'd go around and try to find people to like check off your bingo boxes, and people were like, "Are you playing the bingo? Can you check off any of my boxes?" And we're like, "We're not playing." They're like, "You're not playing?" I'm like, "But here, I'll check off this one for you." But yeah, I'm glad that it wasn't like a structured. Like they had their things, like they had speakers at certain times, but it wasn't like you're gonna do this. You're gonna make a bag at 7 o'clock. You're gonna. Oh, how long was the event?
6 to 9.
It was only like a 3-hour.
Yeah.
But a lot of people came late.
Yeah.
A pro for me was I just love getting free stuff. So that was awesome to me. You know, having all like the Poshmark branded stuff was so cute.
Little keychains and stickers.
Yeah.
And...
It's fun when you're a reseller to have something that like reps what you are, where you work, I guess. You want another pro?
Yeah, they had a little bar set up.
Yeah.
Free drinks. That was nice.
And Keegan found 2 drink tickets as someone left.
Yeah, so we each got 3 drinks, which turned into 4 drinks each. But you know,
because we tried to buy another drink, and the guy's like, "What do you want?" Like you couldn't buy a drink, but we tipped him well.
Yeah.
Another pro for me. I liked the atmosphere. Like, as much as, like, I was too nervous to go and talk to people, I kind of liked people watching and seeing, like, all the different, like, types of people that went to this. And the atmosphere was cute that they set up. So it was a lot of, like...
a big space, too.
Yes, it was not crowded.
Yeah.
Bathrooms were nice. Any other pros you want to throw in? I mean, in general, it was, like, a good event.
Yeah, it was just kind of like a chill... hang out. Like, yeah.
Now cons. I feel like there's always more cons than pros, whether you mean there to be or not. Like, I'm not hating on this event. This event was awesome. I would, do it again, but you want to give a con?
Yeah, I mean...
or a critique?
Probably, like, any, like, speaking thing that was going on. You couldn't really hear anything that was being said because of the crowd. But... that's about it.
That is like a big thing too, because we're there to hear about the live events. I want to know what works, what doesn't, and I'm like,
because we don't really know how to.
I'm like, what works well? Huh? Like, I honestly have no idea what they said, and I was kind of disappointed by the closet inside.
Yeah.
In sight, like you signed up. And you got paired with someone who apparently like does really well on Poshmark, or I don't know how they pick the people, but it was someone that does well on Poshmark. And they look at your Poshmark closet and give you like critiques and stuff, like what you could do better with. And to be fair, we had the last booking of the night.
She was probably over it.
Everyone had their drinks. Like it was a day. And it was just kind of like, okay, yeah, you're doing that, so that's good. Yeah, you're doing that.
You got white background.
So
that's good.
Yeah.
You take like picture of the material tag. That's good.
Yeah.
I feel like the only thing I did learn was I feel like I should have known this is like the like trends thing. She was like, look at the trends and like that's what's selling. And I was like, oh. I was like, that's like legit. Like that's what people are searching for.
I thought it was all like made up by Poshmark. Yeah. Any other cons? Not really.
I would have liked a little more food.
Yeah,
a little bit.
I mean, for a free event, like I feel like I can't really complain too much, but like at least half the food they brought out, I was allergic to.
There's a lot of sushi.
I'm allergic to avocados. I feel like that's not that common, but like if in sushi, in some Spanish dishes,
And we did eat before, and we were like, all right, throughout the thing. So,
but like, if we hadn't eaten, I would have been hungry.
Yeah. We would have to leave and come back.
Yeah, but all in all, cool. Like, it was a really cute event. Oh, wait, signing up to do live shows was really weird. That was weird.
They didn't say like
how to do it,
where to do it.
So like we went up to a table, and I feel like again it was the end of the night because they said they were doing it at the end of the night. Everyone has a little buzz on, having fun. Someone was doing magic tricks, and I'm like, so do I sign up here? And they literally just like took a screenshot of my name and said, give it like a day. You'll be it. I'm not doing it right now because like we're watching the magic tricks. They worded it nicer than that. But they essentially were like, we'll do it later.
But there was like no sign or anything. It was because we went to like the front where you check in and we asked them, and then they were like, oh, go to like that table back there. It was like just a table with 2 girls sitting there.
Yeah.
I was like, oh.
It was something. But all in all, would you go to another one?
Yeah, I would go to another one.
Yeah, I would go to one too.
Maybe not like right away, but
like I've had my fill on social interaction for a little bit.
In the next few months, probably.
Yeah, I would go to another one. It was cute. It was fun. Like a lot of photo ops.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just a quick little video on us with our feedback from it. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.